Okay, so I'm back and I just have some wire like this. Okay, and you can get this at any craft store. You can order it online, or you can use yarn. You don't have to have this. This is just what I have in the house. And since we're using what's around these days, then I'm just using that. So I'm just gonna take my wire and I'm gonna wrap it. And if you have string, you can use string and you can tie it around the branch. Okay, I'm gonna get it kind of tight so it doesn't fall off. Okay, and then so I'm gonna wrap it one more time. All right. Now I have some beads here and you don't have to do this. You can just be done right now if you want to. But I know some of you might have some beads at home. And so I'm just gonna start threading my beads onto my wire and fill this up. And I know you guys don't want to sit here and watch me doing this, but I'm going to probably have them maybe like at the top, just at the top, like this. So I think I'm going to maybe twist this a little bit here so that they don't go down, because I don't want to use them all. Actually, that wasn't really in the middle. Well, actually, yeah, I did do a good job. I put that in the middle. All right, so I'm just going to do a couple of them. So I'll have something hanging at the top. And I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6. Let's see how that looks. I think I need a few more, maybe 2 more. 7, 8. See how that looks. It's even. A few more maybe. We'll do 10 and see how that works. One more. Okay. 10. Okay, I think that works. I'm gonna go ahead and make like a little bump in my wire here so that they don't slide down. Okay. And you can have somebody help you with this as well. And I'm going to go ahead and take the bottom part of my wire and twist it. If you have a hot glue gun at home and someone there to help you, you can maybe glue this so that it doesn't slide off. But don't ever, ever, ever use it by yourself or without permission, okay? I want you to stay safe while you're doing your art. Okay, let's see if we can get this to hang up. Move the wire behind it. And let's see if you can, I can move your, there we go. Can you see it? Kind of hard to do with the way that my phone is, but I'm trying, guys. And can you see that I didn't make this perfect on the edges? Like I didn't make my my bead centered, even though I tried. So I'm just showing you that because I know you guys think I'm perfect. But I can always go back and take the edge off and fix that. So anyway, you can hang this in your window and you'll have some nice spring birds coming to visit you every day. All right, I hope you had fun.